What it do, YouTube? It's your boy JH and I'm back with another video. That's right. So check it out, man. I'm dropping 2 videos today. Well, I'm not dropping them today. I'm filming them today. But we on our way to check out this Crown Vic. If you guys were with me for a while, you guys see this Crown Vic maybe a couple handful of time. But he just added this bump on there with the fog lights, and I'm digging that. So I'm finna go over there and check it out. We're gonna go over there and do a review of his car. For the ones who ain't seen it in a while, you guys get to see the update. I'm liking that new bumper he got, and I'm also liking that he got the steering wheel that disconnect. I'm liking that too. So I'm finna go over here right now. We go get some ideas from him, and we go see what we can come up with for my Vic. You know what I'm saying? See if we can change the flavor a little bit. So that's the plan. He said he'll meet me there in about 30 minutes. So I just go ahead and head over there right now. That way we'll get there probably about the same time. He might get there a little before me, but you know, we'll be there in the same area. So I definitely turn this thing back on, man, once we get there. All right, guys. Y'all heard what that was, right? That's the Vic, baby. He got this thing looking good. I like that bumper. For real, for real. And he got this thing sounding mean too. Ooh. Wait till y'all see it. Ooh, he got this thing sitting low too. So if y'all like y'all Crown Vic sitting low, this is how y'all need to do it right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this thing around and let y'all see what I see. So here we go. Wow. All right, we gonna go do a quick walk around real quick, and then we gonna let him tell us about what's going on. Pay attention to the details now, guys. Pay attention to the details. Where your pipes at? You cut them off?
Yeah. New idea.
All right, now y'all see what's going on here. Now this is the bumper right here I was telling you guys about. Check it out. Look at that. Yeah, we definitely got to put one on the Crown Vic for sure, for sure. All right, so we gonna go ahead. Hold on, I'm gonna let y'all see everything. Mirrors, everything. I'm just showing y'all the bottom of the car. Y'all pay attention to details now. Y'all see what's going on. Oh, we forgot about the, yeah. Y'all see it. Hold on, let's get the top part of it. Now this is the sport I'm telling you I might go ahead and get for my Crown Vic. Hold on, guys. Look at the details now. Look at the details. All right, let's go ahead and check this inside out real quick. Man, you gotta get them black shade lights on there. Oh, we got the changing colors on this thing? I see you, okay. Okay. Oh yeah, we gotta come up with something for sure, for sure.
We cooking.
Oh yeah. Alright, now check it out. You wanna go ahead and show them your check this out. Now I'm definitely thinking about doing this, guys. I'm thinking about doing this for sure, for sure. As you guys see, he got the disconnect. Hold on, that's that wheel. Hold on, let me see that wheel. That wheel, hold on. Look at the details, guys. Look at the detail. I'm telling y'all, look at the detail. He's in the midst of beat.
Chris, that bumper's looking good, man. Appreciate it.
Oh, we got another one right here.
That's what mine looked like before, just black.
All right, so go ahead and tell us a little bit about your build, man. Since last time they saw this car looked 1,000% better and 1,000% different. So
got the different wheels, the 5 spokes.
So what size because they gonna want to know what size you running?
They're 18 by 9.5 in the rear, and same in the front. So
same in the front.
Setup.
Okay. How low you sitting? What you sitting on?
About 2 inches from factory. That's the Ridetech coilover, so it's the Fox shock and the Ridetech springs.
I was trying to see if I can get y'all some. Y'all can't see he's sitting too low. But y'all get what you sitting on?
Ridetech coilovers.
On all the way around?
All the way around.
You got the front, the back a little lower than the front, or
yeah, a little bit.
and why is that, dude? Just because?
Because the oil pan and
Oh, in the front, got you. Speed bumps and stuff.
not ready to break shit
Got you.
completely.
Okay.
Then
So go ahead.
You have the shift change as usual.
Right.
The bumper's one of one. I mean, there's been people that have done it before, but it's the only one around Arizona that I've seen done in a long time.
I like this, man. This is clean.
Two bumpers cut.
You got lights at the bottom too?
Yeah, there's a light bar tucked underneath.
What?
Yeah.
Y'all see that? You can cut that on or no? Was it hooked up?
It is hooked up, it's just not connected right now.
Oh, okay. And then, of course, guys, he made his own grill.
Yeah, with the custom badges.
He did it himself, so that's what I want to do, make my own grill. I want something like this. I like this one, to be honest.
It's an OEM grill, too.
And all he did was just cut the miller out and piece them together.
Yep, cut the oval out, piece it together.
Y'all see what is going on. Is you did that?
Yeah.
That fender, you did that? You rolled them out?
I flared it out, yeah.
Wow.
That way we can go more low.
Okay, I don't know if y'all guys can see that, but he actually rolled his fenders.
Not a whole lot. Just
Not a whole lot, but you can see like the little poke out though. You did the back too?
No, the back's just like that from factory. I didn't have to do nothing to the back.
Oh, it just looked that way because you got your wheels sitting in there.
Yeah.
Like you got it's almost like you got the airbags on here.
A little tucked. Nothing crazy.
Sheesh.
Still go more low.
Man, I like this. What y'all think about this, man? I like this. I like this.
Other than that, ain't nothing much changed. Different taillights. Did the center console, double din radio, reverse camera, the custom license plate.
You got the
little carbon fiber rear diffuser pieces that add a little touch.
see if we can get a little close up on that. Y'all see what's going on. And then you say you cut your pipes off?
Yeah.
You just cut them off to where?
I redid new mufflers. So it's the big Bose dual exit right now. It'll eventually be the side exit come underneath the car.
So y'all see how he got let me point him out. We got purple cutter shift right there. The purple cutter shift right there. Let's not forget about the brakes. He got the purple cutter shift right there. The rocker side panel right here. He got it right here too, all the way down. The steering wheel. Oh shit, he even painted the dash and everything.
Yeah.
Y'all see what's going on?
Then the mirrors, the windshield wiper cover. It's all the same.
Now y'all see how he did this? Cause this is a P71, right?
Yep.
So this is a P71, and y'all already know. Well, y'all probably don't know, but this one came out my Crown Vic Sport. So that's how he got that Miller console. Cause I know they're gonna be asked how he get that up in there.
Yeah.
So that's how he got that up in there. And then we gonna go to the mirrors. He got the mirrors doing the same thing. As y'all can see, he got that right there, purple. I like this.
There's more.
Hold on. Oh, hold on now. Now y'all see what's going on. He said, yes, sir. I like this. What y'all think about this, man? Get in the comments right now. Let me know what y'all think about this Crown Vic. I'm giving this thing a 10
Hell
off
yeah.
top. Get in the comments. Let me know what y'all rate this car. 1 through 10. All my Crown Vic lovers. Come on now. Y'all see what's going on. His engine clean too. Because my engine dirty.
You need off that fucker.
I like this, man. This nice. Tell me what y'all think about this stance, though. Look at this stance. This thing look aggressive. Man, you gotta get the tinted lights, headlights on there.
I want to get RGB ones. Get them custom.
But you gonna send them in?
That's the
But
plan.
still gotta get them tinted though. They gotta be tinted. You don't want them tinted?
No.
Oh, okay. So you gonna paint the bumper black?
Yeah, the bumper will match. Hopefully on the third video of this.
Okay. Man, I like it. I like this for real.
No, we're just making a video of it. Yeah, I'll see the car. No, he has a YouTube channel.
And then y'all see how his wheel wells. I'm gonna have to. I think I'm gonna order me some new ones.
A long time ago, I wanted to do that.
Cause I think mine need to be round like this one. But y'all see how low this sitting though.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. He did this on this one for real, for real. And how many changes you went through before you got it like this? Because you had it you had it on something else, right?
This is the third look for this one.
The third look.
This is the third look.
I like this for real, for real.
E3.
You still got the lights on them?
I don't.
You took them off. Man, I like those right there. We definitely got to do something with those on the Crown Vic for sure, for sure. And they RGB, y'all already know that's my favorite right there.
Yeah.
It's the bars the same, or is it just white? Okay, that's nice. So I don't know if y'all noticed that, but y'all can see it. He got a white light right there, a white strip. You can see it from here. He just don't have it hooked up. But this thing is nice, bro. For real, for real. You did your thing on this one. It came a long way from the last time I seen it, like for real, for real. How do it ride though? Like sitting this low?
Like a Cadillac?
Like a Cadillac?
You can't even tell it's lower.
For real?
Yeah, it's nice.
I would think it'd be like a bumpy ride, but no. Cause it's so heavy, huh? Probably, yeah. Y'all, man, look at that, guys. Come on, man.
Last thing I need is some set of taillights that you have.
Oh man, you can't even find them no more.
You can't.
And then we got another. What this is? A Marquis?
So funny story about that one. So it's labeled as a Grand Marquis, but all underneath it is a P71 because it was the last year they made.
That's the P71 too?
Yep.
And it's labeled as a Marquis?
Yep, it's got the P71 interceptor, the transmission, all the underneath is all P71.
Let's go take a look at this one, guys. So we got another Crown Vic. We got, oh man, I should have brought my Crown Vic if I would have known we was gonna be Vic'd out like this.
Them underneath the awning because the rain's coming. Let's get them set up like right.
But y'all see what they putting up in, man. They acting a fool over here right now. Y'all already see what they putting up in right now. Look, come on, man. Stop playing with him, he said. Y'all see what, man? Look at that lift on that. Oh my goodness. That's like a 12-inch or something. Oh my goodness. They acting a fool out here, guys. They acting a fool out here. Oh yeah, y'all hit this thing. Hey, press the gas a little bit for him. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I like that.
Are we doing this? Hey, you want to hear some real shit? Hey, I got two on that real shit.
Hold on, wait a minute, hold on, one at a time. Let me see what he's talking about over here. Ooh. Okay then. Okay. I hear you. Hey, what you got? What you got back there? What's up? What you?
Just a couple things.
No, you gotta let us. You just can't do nothing like that. Talking about just a couple of things. What you? Hey, you got the muffler delete, huh?
It's gone from the first set of cats back, you know.
Oh, okay. You got the first. Okay, that's why I got that extra. You got that extra. Go. Okay, I hear you.
It's also tuned, cammed, and a whole bunch of.
Are you serious?
Oh yeah.
Man, pop the hood on this thing, man.
Oh,
Man,
it looks stock as shit. That's my favorite part.
Oh, everything looks stock.
Oh, everything looks stock. It's the ultimate sleeper, bro. Right there. It looks stock.
Oh, he got the cold intake in that thing too. Okay, I see you, my boy. How much horsepower you gain out this thing? How much you put in here? How much actually you squeeze out?
It depends on if it's 91 octane.
That's what you're running?
Well, right now, yeah, it's 91. But 91 octane is just about 300. On 85, it jumps to about 330-ish, 340-ish. So,
sheesh.
but it's cam tuned, completely reprogrammed.
Who tuned it? What you got, a Marty tune on this?
It's a custom tune that I have. I got a tuner.
Are you tuning yourself?
No, I got a buddy back in New England that does it. I send him all the information.
Oh, okay, I got you.
She's filthy, but she gets down.
I see, man. Hey, she sound good, man. So you took your first set of cats off?
Pretty much, yeah. So Tedder's cats and then nothing. It's a 2 3/4 pipe all the way back. And then I flush cut the exhaust in the rear. It's a 3.
So is your check engine light on?
Nope. Power's a tuner, man. It's my favorite part. It passes emissions and everything.
What the?
I got 3 tunes for it. It's a flex fuel car too, so it's an E85 tune, it's a 91 octane tune, and then it's a tune to fool the OBD system. So other than that, it's a redone suspension, 353 gears with a in the rear end with a LSD, retuned transmission, upgraded brakes and wheels package, and then just a couple other goodies. Nothing super crazy though.
Right, man. This thing, hey, you ready? Hey, you ready? Hey, you ready though? Hey, don't play with him. He said, don't play with him.
Oh no, come play, come find out.
He said, I want you to come play.
Come on now.
All right, then we got this one over here. Who? This your Vic? All right, let me hear what you sound like, bro. Let's see what you sound like. We done heard all 3. We done heard both Vics. Let's see what you sound like. Okay, he sound like my Vic. So you just got a muffler delete on yours then, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that's how my Vic sound, just like this.
It's a muffler delete. I have plans for it though.
What's up? Talk about it. What's up?
All right, so I want to paint this thing pearl white. I got this thing. It says P73, but it's actually an undercover cop car.
Okay.
So the thing about this is that it's seen a shootout.
It's seen the shootout?
It's seen a shootout.
Like a real shootout?
Yeah. So it's not the stock board that actually came with this bit at all. So what the guy did when he owned it, he switched out the board, switched out the body panels too, and got chrome clip. And it's got all the same stuff that the P71 like originally has. It's got the driveline, transmission, motor. Really nice car.
What year is it?
06?
Oh, 06. Oh, that's what I got, a 06.
Yeah.
How long you had it?
About 6 months now.
Okay, so you just not starting to work on it then?
Yeah.
What all you plan on doing to it besides paint? You said you gonna paint it pearl white?
Pearl white. I want to put a 5.0 in it.
Oh, you finna switch the engine, bro?
Yeah,
Jeez.
It's a strong name.
Man.
But
Cause I'm gonna do what he did. I'm just gonna add some power and stuff to it, like, cause you know the Folk 6, they you know they can handle that type of stuff. So
it's a good car though.
you go lower it or leave it alone or put some lower it, same size, Chris.
Yeah.
Throw some rims on it or
Yeah.
that's what's up, bro. Yeah, so he got big plans, man. When you get this thing done, man, they gonna need an update. We gonna need an update, bro.
Yeah, it's gonna everything on the front right here is gonna be completely different too. I want to try to find a new grill. In worst case scenario, take the chrome off of it and paint that to color matches.
What color? The white?
Yeah,
the pearl white?
and all that. Get some new headlights, brand new bumper for this.
What kind of bumper you gonna go with? I like the bumper he got. I like the one Chris
that
got.
That one is completely made by him though.
Oh, he made the whole bumper?
Yeah, he made that whole thing. By taking a bumper like this one and one that was similar to that one, and he put them together. And it looks really good. I like that bumper a lot.
So he's the only one got that. Then he got one. He got a 1-on-1.
He got a 1-of-1.
What, man? Y'all got some cars rolling up in here today.
Oh yeah. This is like this every weekend.
They rolling up in here today. What you sitting on, 24s or 22s? What these is? 4s or 2s? 4s? Oh, he got the steering wheel that matching everything. He said, check them out. Stop playing with them. Stop. What year is it?
87.
87, baby. The best year. I see you.
What's your YouTube channel?
JH on that. JH on 8s. I'm sorry. You can put JH on 8s or JH on that.
Okay.
It'll pop up. I see y'all out here acting a fool today, man. You say y'all out here like this every weekend, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna have to bring the Crown Vic out here next Friday. I'm gonna bring him out next Friday. For sure, for sure. Oh yes, sir. You already know it.
Yeah, I shoved that thing in my car into rollers.
Oh yeah, you like it? You like it?
I love it.
Yeah, I love this. It got a nice, crisp picture and everything. So
Yeah, I did. He's not here. I did a video on one of the guys' trucks here.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
Hey Chris, Chris, When y'all start rolling big rims through here? When y'all start doing rims and stuff? Like, I ain't like, what's up, man?
I did one.
Come on, man. You could have let me know something. You so that surprise.
I did one reel and it blew up.
Okay. Man, I ain't see. They got some stuff out here today. These cars ain't I ain't never seen them at least.
Boy, right here.
Who? This one?
Yeah.
Man, what type of lift is that? I mean, damn, that's like a foot. He got that thing tucked too. They ain't playing out here today. They brung all the trucks out. See, Chris, I should have brung my Vic, probably knowing all this gonna be out here like this. He didn't even tell me. I thought I see. I'm definitely surprised because
There's more coming. He's just the first one here. I'm about to buy me one of them, bro. Motivation.
Exactly. That's
Motivation.
exactly. So you made that bumper yourself?
Yeah.
You put two bumpers together and made that?
Yep.
Bro. Wow. So you used the used bumper or you use your old bumper? Or you just two?
Used bumper and then the other bumper.
So what's the other bumper? Like what kind of bumper is that? Like what?
I can't give up. It's something nobody will ever guess.
Apparently.
You gotta know.
All right, guys, get in the comments and let me know if anybody know what two bumpers he used together to make this happen. Get in the comments right now. Let me know. We're going to do another little walkthrough real quick so y'all can see it. Let me know what he used. Get in the comments, guys. Yes, sir. Let me know which one he used. I want to, man. I thought you ordered this bumper or something. You made this sucker. That's crazy. I gotta give you, man. I gotta give it to you, bro. You doing it. You made the grill. You made the bumper. You really made that Miller console too, cause it wasn't looking like that when I gave it to you.
No. It didn't fit either. We made it fit.
That's what I'm saying. So you definitely did a whole lot of extra stuff. That's what's up,
You
man.
kept all the important stuff. I had to make it work. But we made it work.
Yeah, you did.
And you never know.
You never know. I mean, you will know because you know
It's
it don't
belief
come
in
like
the
right,
sector,
exactly.
yeah.
But other than that, cause you go ask, how you get this this custom?
Well,
Came out of a sport.
technically, it is custom because it came
True.
out of something.
True. You right about that. So y'all see, man, they out here today, man. And they got some heat out here too. They ain't just out here. They got some
It ain't
fire.
even started yet.
They ain't even started. Let's check this engine out. We ain't even look at this.
I'll have to bring the whole pack.
Oh, he got everything tubbed. Damn. Sheesh. Man, they ain't not playing no games at all. We still got the interior to do with the light, but it's nice. It's nice. He must just got this out the shop because he ain't been in none of your meets heavy like the ones I've been to.
He's been building it.
Yeah, that's why I say he must just got this ready.
He painted it too. He's a painter. He did all the paint work.
He paint himself and everything?
Yeah.
That's who paint? No, you got yours, Domingo, huh? He did all this stuff, the tub and everything. Which one is it? Who car is it?
Gentleman with the glasses on the back of his head without the hat.
Gotcha. That's nice. My favorite color too.
No, like that, I was complimenting you. It's excellent.
As y'all can see, man, they out here tonight. We even got the little remote control car here. Y'all see what it is. We doing donuts. But I can't stay here too long. I got another video to do, guys. Where your car at, bro? Oh, okay, I see you. I see you down there in the cut. Yes, sir, man. Get in the comments and let me know what y'all think about that Crown Vic, man. All three of them. 1, 2, At the crib. Somebody didn't let me know, you know what I'm saying, that, you know, it was big wheel day today, so, you know what I'm saying, it's at the crib.
Protecting it from the rain that might happen.
But, hey, next Friday, I should be out here with my Crown Vic for sure, for sure.
You try?
My truck. Yeah. Yep. I ain't know y'all was about to have, you know, all this out here. And he said it's just the beginning. It's just the beginning. Yeah, right. And the meeting ain't even started yet. It started at 7. I think it's almost 7 though.
It ain't gonna rain that hard.
Stupid Arizona weather.
It'll be quick though.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's supposed to be an hour. That's what they said.
In Arizona weather.
Yeah, it's supposed to rain for like an hour.
It looks like what's the edge of it though.
You said like 8. Dude.
Yeah, it's mostly up north. I mean, yeah. That's where. I mean, I don't know if it's gonna come this way or not, but
I feel the wind though for sure.
this your truck?
Yeah.
Man, I like this, bro. What size lip you got in the back?
It's a 14, so it's like a
14?
Yeah, it's a 10.
Golly. Sheesh. Man, you got that thing tucked too, bro.
Oh yeah.
How long it take you to build this?
Oh, dude, I mean,
I know
been
you
through
probably
phases. It's
Uh-huh.
been through phases, but about a year just to get to where we're here.
Man, that's this. Who did the tubbing for you?
A white boy in Santan.
Santan?
Yeah. Did the tub, all the framework.
He did all that. You got his number, bro? I need to give me some. Well, I ain't got to do nothing like this, but I got to get some new tubs on my car because mine's kind of fucked
Yeah,
up.
he gets down there. He ain't cheap, but you know, quality work.
Yeah, but see, my tubs is just plastic though, so it's just a swap them out, swap them back in type
that's
shit.
easy,
Yeah, it ain't gonna be no custom
No.
like this because mine's got messed up when they was putting the door when the dude was putting my doors on.
Yeah.
He kind of messed them up.
Yeah.
But yeah, man, I like this, bro.
A year and a bank full of money.
Yeah, bro, and
You
some
know
more.
what I mean?
Yeah, cause I see you gotta get the interior done too, right?
Yeah,
Or-
I still gotta do all that.
Yeah. So it's
It's a street truck.
yeah,
All
it's
it is.
yeah.
No short truck here.
Shit,
I
I can't tell.
Hey, I drive my shit.
I can't tell. This ain't no shit. You put up for the show, you go definitely win something.
Build it for the streets. I love.
I feel you. I feel you. I feel you. What size you want? 24, 26,
24.
24. Okay.
All 24 all the way around. Yeah,
I like it, man.
appreciate it.
And you on bags too?
Yeah, on bags. LS3.
LX3. I see. Yeah. You got that power in there too. What you running?
Almost 5 to the wheel.
Almost 5 to the wheel. Okay. Not bad.
No, not at all. Give me
You,
5.
you take it to the track or nah? So you just street everything.
Street, it looks pretty, but it'll sure. You know,
Hey,
hard.
see,
You know
that's
what I mean?
that's the thing. The looks will get the motherfucker. Like, oh, that thing, he got it looking pretty. He ain't shit.
When we
Play
go-
with it if you want
We'll
to.
raise it up a little bit. You know what I mean?
Nice. Fuck
We'll
yeah.
go and play. I ain't scared.
Built it to drive it, not to
Yeah,
just
yeah.
trailer it everywhere.
Yeah, I
Got
got
trailer right now.
Yeah.
I got to learn that
She
lesson.
ain't finished yet.
Nah, she's not done. She's about 60%.
60%.
Yeah.
Well, when you get to 100, this thing gonna be a beast.
Oh, it's gonna be crazy.
It's already crazy. Shit.
Yeah.
I like this color too. You painted this?
My buddy did.
Oh, your buddy did?
Yeah.
But still, shit, that motherfucker.
Yeah, he made this color. I don't like blue at all.
Oh, for real?
I hate the color blue.
But then when
But
he saw
hit
this,
something up, he sprayed the layout real quick, and
you was like, "Fuck it, let's get
the
it."
blue's nice.
That, bro, that's what this.
The only blue that is nice.
Yeah,
I like it.
Yeah, it's from a Toyota.
I like it.
Yeah,
Guys, get in the comments, man. What y'all? Let me know what y'all think about this truck, man. Let's rate this thing 1 to 10. Now, y'all already know I'm giving it a 10 off top.
it's a 5.
A 5. Come on, man.
It's a
Stop
15.
playing, man. He playing games. You know how it is. He says it's a 5, man.
It's a 5 because I know.
Yeah, see, he know, but get in the comments. Let me know what y'all think it is. That's what he think it is, but we know better. Hell yeah, this thing is nice, bro. All right, guys, man, it's about to get ready and sprinkle right here a little bit, so I'm about to get ready and head back to the crib because I got another video to go ahead and do. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna holler at y'all next time. Peace. right, guys, I gotta get up out of here this time for real, guys. Every time I try to leave, something come through, and I gotta show y'all. So I'll catch y'all on the rebound. Peace.
Watch back out like